Hey, next minifigure, the mother. She has black hair. She has lavender button shirt with a lighter color, lighter lavender undershirt, and dark blue pants. And last of all but not least, this is the man of the house. This is the dad. He's wearing a dark blue baseball cap. He has black beard and mustache going around his mouth. And then next he has a kind of a lightish sand blue jacket, zipper, and a dark red undershirt and tan or sand yellow, brick yellow pants. Okay, so now on to the actual set itself, the family house. First off, we got the family car. This family car has two roofs that you can take off. They're removable, and you can see two minifigures in here, which I will show you now. Okay, one here, and you can only fit two minifigures in this car. Oops. There you go. See, only two can fit, which is kind of a shame, kind of a bummer, because well, I wish you would fit the whole four, but this car can only hold two, but that's okay. What a shame. And here, that's what. All right. Oh, almost forgot about the accessories. Accessories. What you get here, you get two pairs of skates, one in red and one in blue, which the son and father can play hockey, street hockey actually, as shown in the box, and it's pretty nice. And these two red pieces serve as goals. So pretty nice. And oh, forgot to mention about this dog. This dog here is a brand new mold here. We got a brand new piece. This dog piece right here is actually a golden retriever dog. Aside from just a so yeah, brand new dog. Aside from just that brownish German Shepherd dog piece that we had over the years. So yeah, this is a pretty brand new breed, brand new dog piece for the. So this is what you get here, the one that you get from this set. And here, this is a round piece where you can bait the dog in. That's nice. Okay, and oh, these road plates here seem are pretty new. They replaced the traditional road plates that we had since 2005. Yeah, since 2005, and those are pretty much discontinued as of now. And these ones have replaced the traditional road plates that we got back in 2005. Well, I wish they hadn't, but still overall I like these road plates better. It's pretty nice, and you can also expand your city by buying additional road plates. And make your whole city. But anyways, sorry for being sidetracked. Here's a brush. You can brush the dog. Helmets. For the mother and son to play. And now to the actual set, part of this set, the house. Let's take a look at here. First, this is the garage where you can park your car in. You can park your car right this way. Yep, you park the car that way. You can charge this is where you charge the vehicle right here. Oops, sorry. Like that. Okay. And then we move here. You get to this is the charging station of the vehicle. And a wrench where you can make repairs on the car. And there's the seating table where you can have lunch. And there's a hot dog and a soda can right here. And a little garden here, which has carrots. 3 carrots growing from the ground. And we turn to the back here. Nothing special about it. Now, as we turn around, Here is the front door where you can go inside and turn around. Here is the gaming room where the kids can play video games. The whole family can play video games. This is the gaming room, or the living room actually. And here, if you can look really, really careful, you can see that it is there. This is a TV, an HD TV right here, flat screen TV, and what's on it is it's a video game. Yeah, a video game called Lego Ninjago. As I mentioned earlier, with the little boy with the green with his hoodie on, so that means he's saying he's obsessed of Ninjago. And then we come down to here. There's the kitchen, and if the lighting is a little better, or if you can try to look careful enough, you can see that there's an apple. And what that is, that must be a juicer. Here, those are cabinets, and right there you get a little this pan right here. There's a little stove top right there. Okay, and up here, this is the veranda or slash balcony.
Okay, here we go.
It's a grill.
When we say the phrase "the big game," like
Here's a grill here where you can cook your dinner here.
Does that sound? Does it sound
You get your grill here, and
have to do it.
as for the exterior here of the house, there's some vines going out,
and everybody knows what I'm trying to say, but I can't say the word.
pretty nice details.
Maybe
Highly detailed,
a
highly detailed family house, modern house.
Is coming up this weekend. I'm so pumped.
And now we finally go to the back. The back is really nice too. Right here, this is the second floor. Bathroom. This is the bathroom area. It's here. You get a shower. In this room, you get a shower. There's a toilet and a sink. And then next to it, probably I don't know what this is called. This is probably the little boy's room, or probably the father's room, or I don't know. Let me see what's in here. Oh, the sister's room. This is the big sister's room where she can play her music. Here you get a guitar. That's pretty new. And a brush. And apologize for this, but I probably got this piece the wrong way. I got this the wrong way. It should have been the other way. But no worries, guys. Accidents happen sometimes, but anyways. And then we come up here, the top room. This is the little brother's room. You can see there's a sword. There's I don't know what that's probably a radio or something. And then a trophy. And then that must be a poster or something. Okay. And then right, the little boy can right here. The little girl right here. Alright guys, well, and on the top you get solar panels, which is making this house an eco-friendly house. Okay, now, okay guys, and one last thing I need to show you. Here is a new piece that we get. It's a poop piece that we get. That's probably come from the dog, right there. The dog. This is from the dog when he has to go outside, go potty. That's a new piece for also new, probably for this year as well. Okay guys, well, there you have it. This is the new Lego City set of 2021. The family house, 60291, 380 pieces, and 4 minifigures in this set. I hope you enjoyed this review, and I hope many more will come soon. Alright guys, well, once again, this is Lego City 1994, signing off. Bye.